So I have already prepped my skin. I did my skincare. This is this primer that I got off the TikTok shop. So I'm gonna let that dry down. It's not really sticky, but y'all see it get some bounce back or whatever. So now that I think that that's dried down some, I'm gonna go in with the 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽 Beauty Universal Balm, and it's like a blurring tint, blurring balm. And I'm just gonna use where I already dug in and like place that over top of it to, like, y'all see my skin right here. Something has irritated my skin, but we're just gonna do it, place that over there or whatever. And I'm about to start seeing, well, I've started seeing an esthetician. I've gotten a consultation already, because if y'all been on this journey with me for a long time, for years, like if you've been watching for years, then you know that my skin has been off and on with you know. So anyways, while that's sitting, I'm going to go in with my brows, and I will probably do those off camera because I got 2 bars left. So now we're gonna go in with this Maybelline foundation. This is the shade Dirty Age. I'm gonna be using the NYX Bare Thin Concealer in the shade. I don't know the shade, I'm sorry. Massage translucent setting powder. Yes. To set my brows, I'm going to use the NYX brow gel. I had some liquid blush, but I don't know where it's at. this Halo Glow finishing powder. I'm just gonna add a little bit because it is heavy. Just to give my eye a little bit more glow, a little bit more pop. You see that? You see that? What's the?
Well, I don't know what it's called, but it's for like moisturizer. Spray bottle.
This is a setting spray. Just want to make sure everything is locked in. The last one, okay. The lashes I'm going to be using are by Dodo Lashes. These are 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽. I'm going to leave my discount code on the screen and in the description box for y'all to go get y'all some, okay?